Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken stock, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which could be a carcass or various pieces. We'll also use aromatic vegetables like 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. Don't forget 1 bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and some fresh parsley stems. Finally, have about 12 cups of cold water ready to cover everything. Now let's get cooking. Carefully place all your chicken bones and prepared vegetables into a large stock pot. Add the bay leaf, peppercorns, and parsley stems right in. Then, pour in about 12 cups of cold water, making sure all the ingredients are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, and once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to very low. As your stock begins to cook, you'll notice some foam or impurities rising to the surface. It's important to skim these off, especially during the first hour, to ensure a clear stock. Keep the heat very low, maintaining a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil. Let it cook for at least 4 hours, but for a truly rich and flavorful stock, aim for 6 to 8 hours. This extended time extracts maximum goodness. Once your stock has cooked for the desired time, it's ready for straining. Carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. You'll be left with a beautiful, clear, and flavorful liquid. Allow this liquid to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store your homemade chicken stock in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for several months of delicious use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.